We are doing 3 best hamstring stretches in this video to improve the flexibility. Well, come to standing position with sitting bones distance apart feet. Take 2 blocks beneath your hands. Keep your spine elongated and not round, and move back and forth as a drill to stretch the hamstrings. Move back, putting weight on the heels, and then forward on the toes. To moving back, to a stretch with the spine and coming on the toes. Do it at least 10 times and then you can release down to a full stretch, coming to the center position, leaving the blocks to come to Uttanasana forward bend. To the next stretch for the hamstrings is Prasarita Padottasana. In this, we are taking a chair ahead of you and start sliding the chair forward to get a flat, lengthened but neutral spine with arm stretch. Keep moving to the chair, feeling the stretch to the spine, then slowly take your hands down one by one. Make sure you're not rounding the spine and you're keeping the spine lengthened. Resting your palms completely to the ground. What we are aiming for in Prasarita Padottasana is to rest your crown head to the floor with elbow folds. I'll come back to the center and we will take block support to do it step by step. I will keep a block straight, palms by the side with exhalation. If your flexibility doesn't allow, go only till this level. If your flexibility allow to enhance and process further, then reach till there. And then slowly with step by step, if your flexibility allow you more, then take your hands down and resting the crown head onto the block this way. And in the final stretch, if you are able and willing to go fully down, you remove the blocks one by one and go down completely, resting the crown head touching to the floor, feeling a good stretch to your hamstrings. So choose your level according to your flexibility, and then slowly you close your feet with the heels and toes in and heel and toes in to stretch with your spine. That is all. Third hamstring stretch is Parshvottanasana. Come to leg length distance apart, facing the 2 blocks just like in the video. Now what we are doing is, we are resting the arms just like this onto the blocks, and one by one we will work on our flexibility by taking the blocks down step by step. Keeping the spine neutral, keep your pelvis centered and not tilted. Coming to a close-up position and taking the blocks down one by one. And in the final position, I'll remove the blocks and going to exhale, resting my forehead, nostrils, chin onto the knees to a complete stretch. To whatsoever level your flexibility allow, you stay there. And slowly you close your legs back, and that is all.
Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.